So we're gonna work on the last question of work for study plan chapter 2. Question 5 says an object is dropped from rest into a pit and accelerates due to gravity at roughly 10 meters per second squared. It hits the ground in 5 seconds. A rocket is then dropped from rest into a second pit and hits the ground in 10 seconds. How much deeper is the second pit compared to the first pit? And neglect the resistance. Is it 4, 3, 2, or 5 times deeper? So to answer this question, we're going to be using a displacement formula, which is S is going to be initial velocity plus 1/2 the acceleration of time squared. So for the first part, it's going to be, so for the first initial part, we know that our initial velocity is 0 times our time is 5 seconds plus 1/2 the acceleration. We know that it's going to be 10 meters, and the time again is going to be 5. So this one cancels out because it'll be multiplied by 0. So our displacement for the first is going to be 10.5. That's going to be, when you do this calculation here, it's going to end up to be 125 meters. For the second part, again, 0, but this time 10 plus 1/2 10 squared. This comes out to 0 plus, when you do the calculation, it comes out to 500 meters. So 500 meters divided by 125 becomes 4. So the answer to this question is A, 4 times deeper.